Hi everyone! It's been a while since I have been on here to show you any progress of how our house has come along. So today I'm just going to go through some of the fine details of what Tim did to really add some special touches to the upstairs of our house. And then I'm going to go through the foundation pictures of what kind of state our house was in when we bought it and what kind of work had to go into this house so that we could actually move in.
Like I said, our house when we bought it was worth nothing more but to knock down and rebuild or to totally give it an overhaul. And this is what my husband and I decided to do. It was filthy. The walls had thick nicotine stains. The carpets in the kitchen, there were carpets in the kitchen and they were disgusting. The original windows in the house from 1944. There were mouse traps and rat traps in the closets. And we just knew it was filthy. My husband is a carpenter and he was able to take out the wall dividing the kitchen and the living room, and he just gutted the whole place. In the end, we ended up taking out all of the plaster and making it completely just the wooden shell. When my husband took out the bathtub, he found these really cool old newspapers from 1944. They had articles about World War II ending and Hitler being taken down. That was really neat to find. And some of the old ads were really cool too. This is what the house looked like once all of the plaster was ripped out. There was a lot of really nice wood that my husband took off, but this is the empty shell. The foundation was absolutely ruined. It was caving in on itself. We had a foundation company help us with a lot of the work for the foundation. But this part in the pictures here is my husband leveling out the house on teleposts and building new wooden walls from the house down to the top of the foundation. They had to do a knee wall and brace the house. As you can see, the corner of the cinder blocks of the foundation were completely gone. My husband pulled the wood that he needed through the bottom where the foundation used to be. And he was able to secure the house on the new foundation. He's very skilled.
Now I'm going to show you guys what the inside of our upstairs looks like. My husband built these cabinets. We got the shiplap ceiling. There's this huge peninsula countertop my husband made. Comes in so handy. See that beautiful beam. These cabinets are going to have doors on them. Just haven't got to that yet. And the classic look of these windows, the trims, the windowsills, flawless. Those floating shelves, really pretty crown molding. There's so much attention to detail in this house. Thanks for coming by and watching our house progress. I'm gonna make a few more videos down the road showcasing some of the other things that we've had to do to make this house livable. And yeah, we're by no means close to being done, but just little by little we're doing this. And in the next couple months we're going to be finishing out our basement. So if you subscribe to this channel, I'll keep you guys all updated with our house renovations. See you next time.